Hi, this is Dave Lorenzo with RainmakerLawyer.com, and today we're going to talk about free advice and why it's absolutely worthless. It's worthless for you to give out free advice to your clients, and it's worthless for you to receive free advice yourself. And I'm going to give you 4 reasons why free advice is 100% worthless. First and foremost, people value what they pay for. And most often, if you give free advice or if you receive free advice, the receiver doesn't really perceive there being a lot of value to it. So let's say somebody on the street comes up to you and says, "Hey, I know you're a lawyer, I'm charged with this crime, what do you think?" They're going to pretty much dismiss that advice as soon as you give it to them, because people put a value on, they place a value on things that they pay for. When you receive advice, whether it be from me or from any type of consultant or anyone in business or industry or even your fellow attorneys, you're going to place a higher value subconsciously on advice that you pay for. So first and foremost, people value what they pay for. That's the main reason, one of the main reasons why you shouldn't give out free advice or even receive free advice. Number 2, paying you positions you properly as an attorney. So when you pay an attorney, the attorney automatically has a higher stature in the mind of the client. People pay for things and they place that, subconsciously, they place a higher value on it, as we discussed, and it positions you better. So the $1,000 an hour lawyer is positioned differently in the mind of the client than the $200 an hour lawyer. Now you may be thinking to yourself, it'll be easier for me to get business as a $200 an hour lawyer, and that may be true, but it'll be easier for you to get business from clients who are willing to pay $200, and those may be much lower level clients. So think about that, and think about positioning and how paying you influences the positioning of you in the mind of the client. Third point is that receiving money for your advice boosts your confidence. Whenever you give out free advice, it may temporarily give you a jolt of confidence, but that's just ego. True confidence, self-confidence, comes from really feeling good about yourself. And when people pay you, particularly when they pay you a higher fee, that boosts your confidence enormously. You truly feel like you have worth to the client. Fourth and final tip on this topic is that paying you places a value on your most perishable product, places a value on your time. If people pay you for your time, that not only says they respect you, but the time you spend today, you will never get back again. Time is a perishable product, and when you sell advice, or essentially sell your time or spend your time giving advice to people, that's a perishable product. You can't sell the 10 minutes you just spent talking to the client to any other client. So that 10 minutes has a very significant value, and there has to be a price placed on it. So those are the 4 tips for getting paid for your advice, why free advice is worthless. I highly encourage you to charge fees for everything from a free consultation to attending a meeting or a deposition or interview with a client. I mean, everything you do, there has to be some sort of fee associated with it. Doesn't need to be an hourly fee, could be a value-based fee, but clients need to pay when they work with you. Absolutely, positively, unequivocally. Can I be more emphatic about that? My name is Dave Lorenzo, and if you'd like more great tips just like these, you can find me at RainmakerLawyer.com. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day.